So if you're like me and you've got an older retro system like the Super Nintendo that I have right here, and you're looking for a way to store your games, you can see right here I have the Wii set up right over here, and that fits nicely like that. I have the Super Nintendo set up right here. Problem I had, it was where do I store my games? So what I did, I picked up one of these game organizers things for Super Nintendo. So this company also makes other kind of cases that fit like N64, maybe Sega, and a bunch of other random ones. You can go on there and see what they've got. But look at this thing right here. This looks so good, and it looks very clean. It holds up to 10 cartridges. But what I did, I actually have a Game Genie. It fits down in there, a Super Game Boy with a Game Boy game in it. It fits down in there nicely. You can see the different types of games that I have right here. I have one that stays in the system, Super Mario World, which is what's playing right there. And then I have all the games that go cleanly down there. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a good, affordable way to hold all of their Super Nintendo games, kind of keeps them protected and keeps the dust off of them and keeps them tucked away nicely and very clean presented. You can get several of these things and line them up and really have a good collection, whether you've got a gaming store or like me, and just have kind of like your own little personal collection that you play right here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, the Collector Craft Gaming Organizer. See you all in the next video.